Hey guys, CC Mayfield Heights here. I'm gonna do sort of a Cody B pyrotechnics type thing today. Happy 4th of July if this is posted on the 4th of July and you see this on the 4th of July. But let's see what we've got today. We have Neon Glow Sword by TNT Fireworks. Got 2 of those. And we have these are technically just normal sparklers. However, they're like a foot or 2 total. And then we have, those are also by TNT Fireworks. We have Rex by TNT Fireworks. Glowing eyes when lit. Glow fuse on this. Obviously, it's a fountain. This is my favorite, even though it's not Tuesday. We've got Taco Tuesday by TNT Fireworks. We have Little Legend by TNT Fireworks. This I mainly picked up for this weird fireworks styled video because of its size. Like, a Rex is 2 of these tall. We have Ground Bloom Flowers by TNT Fireworks. Spins on the ground. It goes from red to green to gold. And then we have Roar and Stomp, both by TNT Fireworks. And right now the sun is still up, so we will be back with all of these once it gets darker out. So, yeah. Alright, this is Ground Bloom by TNT Fireworks.
Ready?
Light it.
Light it up.
Should it be on its side like that?
Yeah, it
Yeah, 'cause
spins.
it's a spinner, right?
Yes. Holy crap! Oh god!
Guess we need to take a pull.
Three. All right. Oh my god, the smoke! It's Neon Glow Sword by TNT Fireworks. Oh. Ah! Wow! Wow!
Can I get your face in it?
Huh?
Is your face okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Wow, look at all these sparks!
That's a wild sound that it's making.
It sounds like when you spray something with the hose when you wave it.
May the force be with you.
Now it's just on fire.
And that was Neon Sword by TNT Fireworks. This is Stomp by TNT Fireworks. Alright, light her up. First fountain of the night. Oh, wow. Wow! Oh gosh, it's still hot.
Well, duh.
Why did I try to grab it? That was stupid. This is Roar. This is
Roar.
Yep. This is Roar by TNT Fireworks.
Let's just scare the crap out of ourselves.
Light her up! Run! Ah!
Cool.
Strobes.
Figure there'll be one more.
And there's the crackle! Look at that smoke.
That's funny because I kind of expected it that high.
Well,
Look at that smoke.
Yeah, I forgot about
Up next is Little Legend by TNT Fireworks. All right, here goes Little Legend. Hot. I am backing up to this tree just in case. Oh, look at it go. Red, green, white, and blue. Red, green, white, and blue crackle. Oh my god! That.
What a legend. What a legend.
So he's right. All right, up next we have Rex by TNT Fireworks. All right, this is Rex by TNT Fireworks. Light him up.
I'm gonna come over here then. 'Cause I want to see it too.
I know. Go ahead.
Ah. I'm not seeing any glowing from those eyes yet.
Probably near the end.
Yeah. Zooey Mama Cat! Oh, there they go.
Now hold up. I knew he wasn't done yet.
Whoa! And now it's yes.
I'm gonna do it like this because there's a.
Get it hot and fresh. It's Taco by TNT Fireworks. That was my horrible Spanish. Oh my god! You can't see it that well, but pink, blue, yellow, green, red. Colored flames. Colored flames on this taco. No. Okay. You can kind of see it better when it zooms in. It. Oh! Ha ha! go see what a blown open taco looks like.
Much.
Nothing too special. There's all the aftermath. And now we're gonna cut to when we're on the driveway for sparklers.
Right.
But like,
There we go.
There you go. Oh my god. These are probably gonna be a minute alone of the video.
Uh-huh.
Just us talking while
They're big guys, so what do you
yeah. Yeah. I mean that is the whole reason why they're in this video. They are comically long sparklers. It's so hot out here that I'm literally doing tiny circles with my hands, and the sweat and weight of this thing is making it to me. It's like a street lamp. So
Benny?
yeah, so. And
5,
Huh?
4,
3,
3, 2,
2,
1.
and
Basically done.
yep.
Voila!
Happy 4th of July.
Whee!
Now, cut to the highlight reel.